In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Microsoft Teams on an Amazon Fire tablet. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you've tried to find Teams in the Amazon App Store and didn't see it, don't worry. There are two reliable ways to get it working. The recommended method is to install the Google Play Store, which gives you the smoothest experience and automatic updates. The alternative is to sideload the Teams APK directly if you prefer a lighter setup without the full Play Store. Let's start with the recommended approach. On your Fire tablet, open Settings, then go to Security and Privacy, tap Privacy, and turn on the option that allows apps from unknown sources. This simply lets you install apps that don't come from the Amazon App Store. Next, open the Silk browser and follow a trusted online how-to guide that provides the 4 Google Play Service APK files you need. You'll download and install them in this exact order: Google Account Manager, Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and finally the Google Play Store. That order matters, so take it slow and confirm each file before moving to the next. If the guide suggests specific versions for your Fire OS, use those. Once the Play Store is installed, sign in with your Google account, open the store, search for Microsoft Teams, and install it just like any other Android app. With this setup, Teams will behave like it does on a standard Android device, and updates will arrive automatically. If you'd rather not install the Play Store, you can sideload the Teams APK. As before, enable the setting for apps from unknown sources and security and privacy. Then, in the Silk browser, visit the official Microsoft download page or a reputable third-party APK source. Proceed carefully and avoid modified packages. Download the Microsoft Teams Android APK, open your Downloads folder, and tap the file to install. When you launch the app, you might see a message that it works best with Google Play Services. That's normal, and the app should still function. Just remember that you'll need to manually update it in the future by downloading newer APKs when they're released, so it's helpful to check for updates periodically. Whichever route you choose, once Teams is installed, sign in and grant the microphone, camera, and notification permissions when prompted so calls and meetings work properly. That's it, you now have Microsoft Teams running on your Fire tablet, either with the convenience of automatic updates via the Play Store, or the lighter, manual APK approach if you prefer. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.